Hello dear students, I am Hariom Patna, PGT Computer Science from KVNKJ Katni. Today we learn about functions in SQL. Functions. Function, it is a set of commands that perform specific operations and return a single value. Or we can say that the function is a group of instructions that perform a particular task. In simple word, a function is a stored program. SQL provides various functions, various built-in functions to perform operations on data. Same as Python, SQL also support the concept of functions, and it also have various types of functions. In SQL, functions can be categorized into two categories. First one is aggregate functions, next one is scalar functions. First we will discuss on aggregate functions. Aggregate functions are also known as group functions or multiple row functions. These type of functions work with multiple rows. Mainly there are 5 aggregate functions, namely max, min, sum, average and count. Count have two variations, count and count star. Next one is scalar functions. Scalar functions, these type of functions work with single rows at a time. These functions are very useful for string operations, math calculations and so on. The basic difference between these two functions are scalar functions work with single rows and aggregate functions work with multiple rows. Okay, next one is mathematics functions. Mathematic functions, these are very important in SQL to implement different mathematical concepts in queries. These are also called numeric functions because they accept numeric input and return numeric values. In SQL, simple calculations can be performed using mathematical operators like plus, minus, into, divide. Suppose we want to sum of two numbers, then we write select 2 plus 2, then output will be 4. Like other operation can be performed. Next one is, first function is power function. Power is a mathematics functions. The power function return the value of one expression raised to the power of another expression. Syntax is given here, power x comma y, where x to the power y, x is a base and y is exponent. Example is given here, select power 4 comma 2 means 4 to the power 2 and output will be 4 into 4, that is 16. Next we will practice power function in online SQL. Okay, let's start. First we write select power 2 comma minus 1. It means 2 to the power minus 1, that is 1 upon 2 means 0.5. Here in place of point it use comma. Next we change the power. Now we write 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Again we change the power, 2 to the power minus 2 means 1 upon 4, that is 0.525. Next we change the power. Now 2 to the power 3, that is 8. Now we change both number. Now I write 3 comma 3, that is 3 to the power 3, that is 27. Next, in place of power we can write POW. Both are working same. 4 comma 2 means 4 to the power 2, that is 16. Okay. Next function is a round function. A round function, it arranges the column expression or value to given decimal places. Here syntax is given here, round m comma d. D is optional. If we not specify the d, then it round the number up to the 0 places. Example is given here. Select round 48.745. Here we not mention the decimal places, then it round the number up to the 0 places, then output will be 49. Next we practice this round function in same online SQL. We write select round, okay, and then 345.345 comma 1, then it round the number up to the 1 decimal place, then 345.3. next I change the decimal places, I mention the 2, then 345.35. next I mention next digit 5. Then what happen, it will add 2 zeros in last. Next -1, I use -1. In that case it round the number before decimal places, not after the decimal places. Then in that case number will be 350. Okay. If I mention the 0, it means it round the number up to the 0 places. If 0 is not mentioned, then it also round the number up to the 0 places. Mentioning the 0 is not required because it by default round the number up to the 0. Next one is mod function. Mod function return remainder of division or expression. Okay. In mod function it takes 2 arguments, both are essential. Okay. Here I write some examples. Select mod 10 comma 3. 10 is divided by 3, then remainder is 1, 3 3 is 9, 1 remainder is there. Next in example 15 comma 6, 15 is divided by 6, then 6 2 is 12 and remainder is 3. Next we will practice this function in same as online SQL. Okay, we start practical on mod function. Select mod 12 comma 5, then remainder is 5 2 is 10, remainder is 2, 2 is okay. Next I change the number 4 comma 2, then remainder will be 0. Next one more we practice on mod function 5 comma 6, then 5 is not divided by 6, then remainder is 5. Okay, some assignment for you. Okay student, write down the output for the following queries. If you want to practice online, then link is given here. Okay, click on this link or note down this link for further use. Okay, thank you student.